Today class, how to create your page, how to create your website page. Okay, let's go start. This is your dashboard. Click dashboard. This is your dashboard. This call for dashboard. Okay, this is dashboard. Okay, let's start. How to create your page? Go to page, add new. Type HOME, home. Okay, just published. Okay, just published. Click here, view, home. Look, this is home. Create home page. Okay, go to back, home page. Go here, go add new blog. Okay, blog, copy and paste here. Okay, okay, just published. Look, here is only one page. Okay, one page, clickable page, one page. Now this one is second page. Click here, go here. This is second page, home page, blog page, right? Cross, click here. What is this? Home page, no more content, blog, no, just this is the page, home page, blog page. Go to back. We will create the contact page. Okay, contact page. Copy and add new. Already two pages create. Copy, paste. Okay, just published. Here is 1, 2, home, blog. Now here is contact. Here is contact, because no more any content in your page. Okay, exactly this system is create your page. Go to back, home, blog, contact, home. Okay, this is the name of page. This is your logo. This is your logo, but we need to upload the logo. Okay, go dashboard, go back, no need. Okay, now go to appearance, to theme. Go here, okay. This is your website. My project is the name of logo, but this is the content. Here is need to image. Okay, logo. Go your logo, click here and upload a logo to replace the default name. Okay, description of the header. Okay, they click here, upload logo. Go and my file, go here, logo, many of the logo in there. We use this logo. What logo is okay, this is the logo, png logo, need to png logo, this is png. Okay, good, this is the png. Upload it here, upload. Okay, upload. Here is upload logo, logo, logo. Okay, just choose image. Okay, good, and published. Here is remove and change image, but I get published. Okay, done. This is our website logo. Okay, logo. We create 3 pages and upload our logo. Go to bag. This is the menu. Okay, go your menu. We arrange the logo, arrange the menu, arrange the menu bar, because this is the logo, this is the how to work. This is the page, page. When I click here, load, and this is page. Pricing, this is pricing. Okay, this is our website. Home here, blog here, contact here. Remove. What is this? Remove. Invalid page. This is the invalid page. Maybe before it all automatically. Acha. This is our home, blog, contact, home page. Okay, published. This home page transfer to here. Okay, click here. Okay, click primary, the menu location. Here is where is your menu appearance. If you like to change that, is pick the another location. Okay, okay, published. Home, contact, blog. Okay, exactly this system is create your page. Okay, now we are going to some content every page. Go to page, edit page, home page. Okay, now customize this page. Okay, click here. Here is the menu system. Okay, go learn, leave some content, copy. Okay, go our website, and paste here. Okay, this is the feature image. Click this feature window, upload one, and upload one. I will upload this one, 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 this one. Okay. Oh my god, very slow. So select image, go to back, go to this PC, desktop, a lot of image. We have lot of image. Okay, upload. Oh my god. Okay, no problem. This one. Okay, click here. Okay, and enter here. We need to some image upload here. Go here, click here, go to gallery, upload this picture. No, sorry, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, this one is upload. Okay, and we are going to update. When you update, preview and go to here, click here. This one is your home page. Okay, right now home page content, but contact page and blog page. Okay, contact and blog empty, so you can do it. You do this and this. Okay, thank you.